Improper road connectivity had compelled the villagers of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoi to come forward together and build a road with the money they have collected among themselves. They had to take the matter into their hands since the government had not taken steps to improve the road. The people of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoi had never seen good road in their village since the establishment. The village was established in the year 1952. Turning 60 this year, yet there is no any road facility was provided to this village from the government. This had impacted the villagers in various aspects. Children are deprived from quality education and villagers are deprived from trade and business. Villagers are disconnected from health services and many more. In case of medical emergencies, the villages of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoi had to walk through the roads covered with mud, rivers and pass through the jungle to reach the medical centers.
Kalitan korsing terang CM do bompen non 2022 non akihai tuliram rong hang Dr. tuliram rong hang alang lige non CM Karbiang Thomas Council alang li cari bom lapen non ko ana ningkana phi labang sotowa non puta avipin lang labang sot hoy ke non anda meri hing avela misen kijun alang avela rong arara tumse amen na jung alang li tum jung
tumsi ki choklem
Falkland atawar alang li tum Falkland mesin mena alang li tum tawar se silam polo ingin so meme alang li tum tawar kawe barika por polo de alang li tum lapu langbung lang ter pen lok lapu lok sikki so piune pen cheng lok osumar lu ke pachang li pen kedam kisung ki boy pet hek lok penangara kisung alang li tum chechak nang lok.
When Ritis Inghi was serving as Deputy Speaker of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the road connectivity was done till Maironghang village, but it didn't connect Maironghang village with Kahak Niso Longjon Athoi. Apart from the road connectivity, the villagers of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoi are deprived from electrification and proper drinking water. This had compelled the villagers of the area to take the matter of road connectivity into their own hands.
Kahak lo Islam militum rong sila mane alang nitum kami hiki warwa ma kidum kami kidu kisung wajone lo kedam kebang kedu ko be kisung wajone lo Islam alang nitum bang mane sarkar perintah po sarkar perintah alang ni sarsar se.
While interacting with our correspondent, the villagers said that they had submitted a memorandum for the construction of road several times to the authority, but so far no steps had been taken for the construction. So, by the time they wait to get some help from the government, they constructed a road from their own expenses. Bikram Steron report from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live.